How to fix Snapchat device ban on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video where we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have here to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to this option here, battery, and you have to click on optimize it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. Let's see you in other videos.